Hey Steve, battling performance, and Dylan's just actually said to me, those are the games that win you the league.
Yeah, credit to Guilsfield first and foremost. They pushed us all the way. I didn't think we were at the races first half.
No.
And we discussed it. We changed a few things at half time. But second half, I thought we were tremendous.
Yeah.
We're on the front foot. And I think on the whole, we probably deserved it in the end.
Yeah.
But Guilsfield will feel had them by as well.
It's a perfect example of that, of the strength of the squad. I mean, it wasn't a team victory; it was a real squad.
Yeah, at the bench I had today, I brought 3 of them on at half time just to freshen it up. The lads who come off hadn't done nothing wrong, which I've explained to them, but it was just to freshen them up and to give us that boost. And they did that. They did that, and we were the dominant force in the second half. And I thought young Dylan, especially on that left hand side, he gave us something extra.
Yeah.
Give us something extra, and Curbs as well, and Macca.
Yeah. What were your thoughts on the penalties?
Yeah, I thought we should have had one for, at the very beginning. Sam Hart snipped in front of the lad, and the lad's kicked his foot. It's a blatant pen, but the ref, I give the benefit of the doubt. The ref the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah, there was a lot going on, wasn't there?
Because he couldn't see it, but the linesman said it was. The second one, I think, is a pen because Tommy Creamers took a touch and then nicked it past the lad, and he sucked him out. And Alex said it weren't a pen, but he doesn't need to push him.
Right.
So from where I was, it looked a pen. So, and Curbs' was definitely a pen because he's got his body and he's done well. The lad's gone to ground, so possibly all of them were pens.
Right. Yep. Another performance, top of the league, unbeaten.
That just shows the spirit within the group. There was a couple of lads left out today, and the messages in the group now. We're all fighting together. We're all fighting for that one goal, like I've said.
You could see that on the bench at the end there. They were all cheering each other on.
Yeah, and like I said, the lads who came off at half time were all in amongst it. There's no sulking. The lads who come on give us that impetus, to go and win the game, which we did. And it's credit to the lads. I've said it on numerous occasions. The togetherness, they're fighting for each other. They're fighting for that end prize, and they deserve massive credit today.
Yeah. Well done, and see you next week.
Cheers.
Thank you.